the story of Berkshire Hathaway isn't just a tale of an investment titan. It's a fascinating metamorphosis of a struggling textile mill into a global conglomerate. To understand Berkshire Hathaway, we must travel back to 1839, when the Berkshire Cotton Manufacturing Company was founded in Cheshire, Massachusetts. For decades, this company was a key player in the American textile industry, churning out fabrics that clothed the nation. But the tides of industry were shifting by the mid-20th century. The textile business faced increasing competition and declining profits. In 1955, a pivotal merger occurred. The Berkshire Cotton Manufacturing Company merged with the Hathaway Manufacturing Company, forming the Berkshire Hathaway name we know today, though still very much a textile entity. Enter a sharp young investor named Warren Buffett. Through a series of astute stock purchases, Buffett began to acquire control of Berkshire Hathaway in the early 1960s. His initial investments were aimed at improving the textile operations, but Buffett soon realized the true potential lay not in making fabric, but in owning the companies that made it and much, much more. Buffett famously declared the textile business a lost cause and began strategically selling off its assets. He then pivoted, using the cash generated to acquire other businesses across a wide spectrum. This was the birth of Berkshire Hathaway as a diversified holding company under Buffett's guidance. The company acquired stakes in insurance, railroads, energy, consumer goods, and countless other industries, guided by the principles of value investing and long-term ownership. With his longtime partner Charlie Munger, Buffett cultivated a unique culture of decentralized management and a focus on businesses with sustainable competitive advantages. From a single textile mill to a sprawling empire, the evolution of Berkshire Hathaway is a masterclass in adaptation, foresight, and the power of judicious investment.